struggle right now trying to figure out where the damn train is that I'm supposed to get on. Okay, we figured it out. On our way. Okay, I finally made it to Hall Street. Not gonna lie, the train ride was not as enjoyable as I thought. It was really loud and just all the stopping and starting, and now I'm having to walk all the way to my hotel. Like at this point I'm like, should I get an Uber? But no, we are committed to walking, and so I'm just trying to find my way out of this damn train station. Child, it's been a lot, but we're here. I'm so excited. I can't even complain when I get off the train and this is what I walk into. I'm getting ready to get unpacked and I have to find something to eat. I was gonna see about going to the Swan Oyster Bar. There's usually a line. All I've had is a banana and then some airplane snacks, honey, and the little airplane snacks wasn't doing nothing for your girl. We are going full tourist mode today. Oh, it's just so beautiful here. Just got finished eating and they did not have the crab back soup. We're on our way to go get coffee at Jennifer Coffee, maybe a little croissant. I got banana matcha, first time trying matcha ever. Okay, not only am I trying matcha for the first time, but I'm trying banana matcha, a banana matcha latte. So I have not had one before. I don't know what the taste is like. Let's just go for it. Okay, that's actually really, oh, hold on. That's actually really good. The cold foam is banana. And then the matcha tastes like, kind of tastes like the green juices that I usually make. My calves are burning. Ah, see how I'm at. Alright, we are in Chinatown and I just made my first tourist purchase. I got postcards, a little pin, and then a magnet for my fridge. And now I am trying to find a restroom, and the lady suggests I go into this little dim sum place on the corner and that I not use the public restrooms but go in here and buy a water and they'll let me use the restroom. So that's what we're gonna do. Also, I don't know if y'all can understand how steep these hills are, but that, y'all, I was not prepared. Popped into this shop and they have Route 66. Okay, I was just roaming around Chinatown and I saw this little back alley that I decided it was cute and I wanted to go down. It turns out this is exactly where I was going. It's the Golden Gate Fortune Cookie Company, or Fortune Cookie Co. They make fortune cookies right in front of you. It's gonna go in and get some fortune cookies. I'm so excited. San Francisco's Chinatown is the oldest Chinatown in North America, dating back to the 1850s. And tucked away in one of its tiny alleys is the Golden Gate Fortune Cookie Factory. It's been making fortune cookies by hand since 1962, and there's me trying a free sample. This is a full wall of celebrities that have visited the factory. Gordon Ramsay himself has even visited for one of his TV shows that he was filming. As you can see here, you can even watch them being folded by hand. And if you prefer, you can write your own fortune and have them put it in a cookie for you. The factory produces 10,000 cookies a day, which is a lot of work. We got us a little, hopefully this lasts until we make it back to Texas, but right now I am walking through Chinatown. I'm going to Coit Tower, which is like an overlook. How beautiful that view is. It doesn't even give it justice. Absolutely. Okay, not quite to Coit Tower, but stumbled upon this view. There's the Golden Gate right there, if y'all can't tell. Y'all, I realized in a later moment that this is not the Golden Gate Bridge, that was indeed the Bay Bridge or the Oakland Bridge. Just ignore my ignorance, okay? This is my first time here, so give me a little bit of grace. All right, back to the video. But it's just absolutely a beautiful day out today. We are here. That's the top of Coit Tower, and there's some stairs right there that we have to climb to go all the way up, y'all. Look, I ain't even gonna say nothing else. Let's just go. Okay, I can't even complain when I turn around and this is the view. Okay, wait, I'm confused because there's the San Francisco Bridge over there. Baby, is it two San Francisco Bridge? I'm confused. We gotta keep going. We got more. We got this. Okay, I haven't went up to the top yet, but I saw this viewpoint. Oh, it doesn't even do it justice. There we go, there it is. And then there's just this little field with some seating areas that you can sit down. I'm just taking the view.
Online, taking a, because you are professional. Oh, sorry.
Oh, sorry about that.
It was at this moment that she thought her life and the whole trip was over. Okay, I try to do this SpongeBob one moment later French accent, and I don't know what that was. Anyways, everything was fine. It was just the wind knocking over my phone. It's okay.
It's okay.
It's all good. Yep. You're joking. We've got our ticket and we are about to climb the 13 flights of steps that's going to require to get up there. So.
And you get to see all the artwork on the first and second floor, which you can't see if the elevator's not working.
Coit Tower was built in 1933 on Telegraph Hill and is about 210 feet tall. 25 artists came together to create these murals that you're seeing. They depicted the Depression-era everyday life of California. Yo, this is something serious. I'm only on floor 6. And I'm out of breath. This better be worth it. Floor 9. 4 more floors to go. My heart is bouncing out of my chest. I came, I saw, it was actually really beautiful. You get a full 365-degree view of San Francisco in the Bay. I guess I was confused about the Golden Gate Bridge. After viewing it from Coit Tower, it is still red. The bridge I was viewing was not the Golden Gate Bridge. I don't know what bridge that is. It looks very similar to it, but still red, still red. Right now we're making the descent. I'm gonna state the obvious and say that it's much easier going down the steps than it was going up. It's so funny seeing all the people who are making their stops and breathers on the way up, but I've seen a little cute park that's nearby. And so I'm gonna go check that out. All right, I am chilling out, max and relaxed out here where we took our first photo of this beautiful view. It's a little windy, but the wind actually feels very nice. I'm like not ready to leave. I could sit here for a couple more minutes. And I think we are leaving on our way down. I'm gonna go hang out at that little park down there, or at least go check it out. Oh, finally a downhill slope. Look at that view. Okay, left Coit Tower, took a little detour instead of going to the park. I was gonna take a detour and then go to the park, but then I happened to stumble right upon North Beach, I wanna say. I can see Chinatown, so it looks like I've made a complete circle. Well, it feels like I've been all over the city today. Like, we've been doing a lot. Oh, that was such a vibe. I got a macchiato, but it was just straight up espresso. Golden Boy. Okay, this is supposed to be a good pizza place here. I might be grabbing a slice. Let's take a little walk-see here. Okay, we've got people flying kites. This beautiful cathedral. I need to figure out the name of this park. I don't know. We're just gonna do a walk around. We're not gonna stay here. We're just gonna do one little lap, maybe half lap around. So beautiful. We've got a children's play area over there. Lots of places to sit. I might actually sit down for a second. Or maybe not. I'm kind of getting hungry. I kind of want to go and get a slice from that Golden Boy's place. Okay, I have confirmed that that is Washington Square Park, and I only figured that because that sign back there says Washington Square Dental Shop. I looked at my map just to confirm it's Washington Square Park. I'm going to try to find that pizza place because I'm going to go ahead and eat and probably head back to the hotel. I do have Alcatraz in the morning and all of the Fisherman's Wharf exploration touristy things in the morning, so I do want to get plenty of rest. Plus, this has been a very busy travel day slash, ooh, let me not get ran over, hold on y'all. Travel day slash I've been on my feet and literally my legs are shaking. Well, they were earlier before I sat down to have a little bit of coffee, and I feel like sitting down for a second really helped. But you should see the crowd that has ensued around this North Star. A restaurant. I'm going to show you guys the crowds that these games, these World Cup things are drawing out. Well, this is one of the many places that I've seen with just an enormous crowd of people, even standing outside of the restaurant, not necessarily inside eating, just crowding around, waiting to see what's happening next. And I gotta keep it moving because there's some strange activity going on around here. We're here at Golden Boy, and of course, there's a line, so I just think that's gonna be good. Okay, the slice is good. I mean, nothing to write home about, but good enough for dinner. We're gonna go ahead and walk back to the hotel. So I gotta figure out how I get there. You guys, I feel like I've seen so much today. I've done so much walking, and I'm sure my feet are gonna hurt tomorrow. I came on a beautiful day. I've been all across the land, which really I've just dipped my toes in the sand just a little bit. I'm back in my hotel room. I'm calling it a night.
It's a peaceful hum. The world slows down and I just become lost in the rhythm of a quiet day where every small